Yeah, we good. Coffee hands tayo dito after running with Galaxy. So, trio. Okay. Morning. Coffee hands tayo, no move. Order tayo ng coffee. Sponsored by Run with Galaxy. So, ito yung stop. Tapos, bibili ata ng coffee. Ay, hindi, libre lang pala. Libre lang. So, ito yung stop mo pala sa coffee. So, titigman natin yung coffee nila kung masarap. 8 kilometers.
Matingin nga kung 8 yan.
Tingnan natin, guys.
Talaga yan.
7 lang eh, pero 8 yan. Hindi ko lang kasi na ano. Thank you po. Thank you, sir. Nomu. G. Let's try this coffee sa ano, Nomu. Ang packaging nila. Tignan natin. Nomu. Wow. It's good. Yeah, I like it so much. Freshly crafted. I'll rate it 10. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng coffee. Sarap ha? Sa Run with Galaxy. Happy hands. Ambience, solid din. Trio ko, trio. Solid. Pero ano lang pala siya. 8.5 out of 10. Sarap. Maramdaman ko yung tamis niya. Kanina 10 pero 8.5. Thank you, coach.
France is in preparation for our race on Saturday and Sunday.